Hey there everyone, so in this video we're going to be talking about Google's cell phone service, Google Fi. So back in November of 2018, Google renamed their cell phone service. It used to be called Project Fi, but they decided to rename it Google Fi, and they also redid their logo as well. So their cell phone service is available in over 170 countries worldwide, and they offer roaming to over 200 countries internationally. They use 3 networks at the moment. They use Sprint, T-Mobile, and US Cellular. So if you have an unlocked phone or phones from any of these carriers, you'll be able to use Google Fi. Since they have the availability of using these 3 networks, how it works is the service on your device will actually switch between networks depending on where it receives the highest signal. So if it's receiving a better signal from Sprint, it'll change over to Sprint. If it's receiving it from T-Mobile, it'll change to T-Mobile, and to US Cellular if that's the network providing the highest signal. The monthly plans are prepaid. It's a flat monthly fee. The plan is $20 a month, and that includes unlimited talk and text. Now where it gets tricky is they charge $10 for each gigabyte of data that you want to use. But they have some nice benefits where it's capped at 6 gigabytes. So for example, if you want the unlimited talk and text plan with the 6 gigabytes of data, anything that you use after the 6 gigabytes is free. So you can use up to 10, 15 gigabytes in a month, and you're only going to pay up to the 6th gigabyte. So you would end up paying the $20 plus $10 for each gigabyte. So 6 gigabytes, that's 60. 20 plus 60 is 80. You'll be paying $80 a month for a unlimited talk and text plan and pretty much unlimited data as well. The only thing here is that if you go over 15 gigabytes, the speeds will slow down. Also, if you want to add family members or friends to the plan, like a family plan, each additional unlimited talk and text line is only $15, and you will receive nice discounts for their data as well. And they can also have unlimited data just like you, capped at 6 gigabytes per person each, and they'll be able to use up to 15 gigabytes at 4G LTE speeds. And another cool thing to look out for is that they will be offering 5G speeds as well, because since they're together with Sprint offering service, Sprint is actually going to be offering 5G data speeds in May 2019. So Google is going to be offering this under Google Fi as well. Another cool thing that it offers is that they offer millions of hotspot connectivity around the world. All right, so what do I think about Google Fi? I think it's pretty cool. They're doing things a little bit differently, and Google is a great company. I am a strong supporter of Google, but I do think that they are going to need to work on their prices if they want to attract more customers, because there is so much competition out there right now in the cell phone service market. So I'm just going to compare their prices right now to another cell phone plan, which is actually one of the cheapest ones that I know. So I'm not aware of any other companies that can beat this company, and it's called Simple Mobile. They offer unlimited talk, text, and data for $50 a month. The cool thing here is that if you want to add lines to that plan, each line is just an additional $25, and that's going to include also unlimited talk, text, and 4G LTE data for all of the other lines that you add onto it. So if you add the numbers up, if you have a 4-line family, you'll be paying $50 for the first line, then $25, $25, $25. So that's $50 plus $75. You'll end up spending a total of $125 for unlimited talk, text, and 4G data on 4 lines. Whereas in Google Fi, for 4 lines of unlimited talk, text, and data, you're going to be spending $205. So if you're trying to save money and you don't want to overspend, I don't believe that Google Fi would be right for you. And that's just my personal opinion. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. What carrier you're using at the moment, how much you're paying, and if you're happy with their service. And that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and give it a like. I'll see you around in the next one. And as always, peace. Ciao.